Hey friends! Welcome to Kidtopia Fun. We're about to have a blast, so let's get started.
Hello, little learners. Let's learn the letter J, and let's meet 3 incredible animals today. Are you ready? J is for Jaguar. Can you say J for Jaguar?
I'm the Jaguar, the fierce and stealthy predator of the jungle. With my speed and power, I rule the rainforests, blending perfectly with my surroundings.
Next, J is for Jackal. Can you say J for Jackal?
I'm the Jackal, a clever and adaptable scavenger. I work well in groups, always on the lookout for my next meal, whether in the savannah or the desert.
Next, J is for Jerboa. Can you say J for Jerboa?
And I'm the Jerboa, a tiny but mighty desert jumper. My long legs help me leap across the dunes, staying quick and light on my feet.
Great job! J is for Jaguar, J is for Jackal, and J is for Jerboa. Awesome work, everyone. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.